Shut up and sit down.
So I'm back for my second balloon. It's been 3.5 weeks. I have lost 9 pounds. A little disappointed so far considering I have completely given up Pepsi for the last month. I thought for sure I would lose more than 9 pounds. Last time I gave up Pepsi, the first month, I lost like 20 pounds. So yeah, but I'm here for the second balloon. Hopefully the second balloon will help speed up the process, and we'll see. The balloon is huge. Everyone gets a leg coat but me.
Yep.
Alright, that's just confirming that.
Dip it in the water. Then I eat it like it's a mouse.
Big gulps of water.
That didn't work out too well. Last time it was a lot easier. I've never done
Now
big
you know
pills
what to
lately.
expect.
Alright, try this again. Feels bigger than last time.
Nope, same size. Big gulps. Try to keep drinking right through it.
It's not going down this time.
It's more mental. I think it's just you know what to expect, and
I'll get it.
you just want to try to route. You want us to hold this? So you have an extra hand?
Sure, if you don't mind.
Yeah. It's big gulps. Try to deep breath. Try to relax. Don't think about it. Just drink it down. Big gulps. Big gulps. Drink through it. Good job.
Got it.
Good.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
That hurt.
I'm gonna tuck it under your shirt here. Let's go next door and just take a look and see where you are with it, okay?
Another tray.
We're looking for this little black marker.
Oh, okay.
That's the one from your actual balloon, and this is the one that you just swallowed.
Oh.
Okay? So we're gonna go next door and so I'm gonna give you some warm water. You just wanna take a couple of sips of the warm water. You don't have to gulp it.
Okay. And the warm water helps it unfold, right?
The warm water is gonna help the capsule around the balloon
Oh, dissolve. Yeah.
dissolve so that it can inflate.
At least it's not a catheter. So will all three float on top, or will they eventually push each other down?
No, they usually float to the top. That's usually what they look like. Okay. Okay. How do you feel?
Better now that that's out of my throat.
Okay.
Other than that, really no different. So she has to legally fill out this card with the serial number of this balloon so that I can legally smuggle heroin from Mexico to America without any problems. Right?
No smuggling.
Oh,
So they don't
no
think
smuggling.
you're smuggling. That's what it's for.
Oh. See you in Mexico. So I just finished having the second balloon put in, and I'm heading back to my car. I got a little bit of good news. Apparently, one of my viewers watched my last video on this, and they decided that they were going to come here and have it done too. So that's pretty cool. I hope you subscribed. But I've got the second balloon in, right in here. I don't really feel any different, except I don't feel at all hungry right now, even though I've been fasting. So I'm going to take that as a good sign. And I'm going to head home. It's just over 20 degrees outside today. We had some nice warm weather, and then Mother Nature's like, oh, screw that, you guys are going to get some cold. And now we're getting some cold. So I'm home. The second pill is fully inserted, and I thought I'd talk a little bit about this one versus the last one. If you watched the last video, you saw that I gagged a little with the pill going down, but it went down without much of a problem. This time around, it was a lot harder. I had to try multiple times, and it honestly felt like the pill was a lot larger. I mean, I'm pretty sure it wasn't. They said it wasn't. So I think it was the same size. She said it was just a mental thing. So I don't know. Hopefully the next one won't be any harder than this one. Once I finally got it in my throat, it was very painful. And getting it to slide down my throat was painful until it hit about here. Then I guess that's when it just drops. One more thing. The balloons are floating on top of my stomach acid, both of them. The animation that Obalon puts out makes it look like the first one goes in and it floats, and the second one pushes that one down, and then so on. And I found out today that apparently they're all going to be floating up on top, side by side, rather than one on top of the other. So that's a little weird, and I'm not sure how well that's going to work as far as suppressing appetite, because it leaves a huge portion of your stomach empty. I'll keep you guys informed on how the process is going. Like, follow, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell button for notifications for my next video. I'm going to keep doing videos about this along with my trike videos. And I'm going to do some diet foods like the dragon fruit that I put on last time. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And several other people seem to think it was interesting too. So I'm going to try other weird foods that are supposed to be good for you. But until next time, like, follow, subscribe, and share.